Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can reduce a PDF file size on your Mac without using any external programs. So let's open a folder here. I have a folder here and I have a PDF file, which is a scientific file. I selected this file particularly because it contains both text and a lot of images, and I wanted to see you if it reduces the quality of the images, etc. Now, let's go to, if you double click on it, by default you will open it with preview, or you can, let's close it again, right click and open it with preview, and after that go to the file menu of preview. Now you can say you have an option of export as PDF, but please do not click on that. Go to export. Now when you come here, as you can see in the format, you have PDF, and below under it you can see Quartz filter. When you click on that, you will see a bunch of options. Here I will use reduce file size option. And when you select this one, I will rename it small. And I will say save in the same folder. Now let's close the file and let's go to the output folder. As you can see, the original one, paper full, is 3.7 megabytes and the small one is 2.9 megabytes. Now let's check if the quality of the paper, if color images are distorted or there is any problem with them. I will open the small one. As you can see, the text is generally okay, but the images are also okay here. You can see the images are also not distorted, not pixelated, and the images are clear. So you can see that we reduced the file size almost 25% without using any external program. That's all from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like our video.